Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some sports physiology trivia. What physiological process occurs to meet energy demands during exercise? A. Glycolysis pathway, or B. Anaerobic fermentation, or C. Lactic acid buildup, or D. Aerobic metabolism. The correct answer is D. Aerobic metabolism. Which hormone regulates glucose levels post-exercise? A. Glucagon, or B. Adrenaline, or C. Insulin, or D. Cortisol. The correct answer is C. Insulin. What is the term for muscle fiber contraction in response to stimuli? A. Electrical impulse firing, or B. Muscle twitch response, or C. Fiber tension generation, or D. Excitation contraction coupling. The correct answer is D. Excitation contraction coupling. What is the primary fuel for high intensity exercise? A. Protein, or B. Oxygen, or C. Carbohydrates, or D. Fats. The correct answer is C. Carbohydrates. Which structure stores calcium ions for muscle contraction? Sarcoplasmic reticulum, or B. Nucleus, or C. Mitochondria, or D. Golgi apparatus. The correct answer is A. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. What term describes the increase in muscle size? Endurance training, or atrophy, or C. Bulking phase, or D. Hypertrophy. The correct answer is D. Hypertrophy. Which type of muscle fiber is more fatigue resistant? A. Type 1 fibers, or B. Fast twitch fibers, or C. Type 2A fibers, or D. Type 2B fibers. The correct answer is A. Type 1 fibers. What is the physiological term for a decrease in muscle force generation? A. Muscle spasm, or B. Muscle fatigue, or C. Muscle strain, or D. Muscle atrophy. The correct answer is B. Muscle fatigue. Which organ is primarily responsible for oxygen transport in the body? A. Liver, or B. Lungs, or C. Kidneys, or D. Heart. The correct answer is B. Lungs. What determines the maximum heart rate during physical activity? A. Age, or B. Diet type, or C. Body temperature, or D. Fitness level. The correct answer is A. Age. Which energy system supports short bursts of activity? A. Anaerobic glycolysis, or B. Lactic acid system, phosphagen system, or D. Aerobic metabolism. The correct answer is C. Phosphagen system. What process involves muscle fibers repairing after damage? A. Protein synthesis, or B. Cellular apoptosis, or C. Muscle recovery, or D. Muscle fatigue. The correct answer is C. Muscle recovery. Which substance is produced during anaerobic metabolism? A. Glucose, or B. Alcohol, or C. Oxygen, or D. Lactic acid. The correct answer is D. Lactic acid. What measurement indicates aerobic fitness level? A. Heart rate, or B. Blood pressure, or CO2 max, or D. Body mass index. The correct answer is C. VO2 max. Which muscle type is involuntarily controlled and found in organs? A. Voluntary muscle, or B. Smooth muscle, or C. Cardiac muscle, or D. Skeletal muscle. The correct answer is B. Smooth muscle. What is the impact of altitude on athletic performance? A. Higher stamina levels, or B. Reduced oxygen availability, or C. Enhanced speed training, or D. Increased muscle mass. The correct answer is B. Reduced oxygen availability. What type of training involves alternating high and low intensity? A. Steady state cardio, or B. Flexibility training, or C. Strength training, or D. Interval training. The correct answer is D. Interval training. Which type of exercise primarily improves cardiovascular endurance? Aerobic exercise, or B. Sprinting, or C. Weightlifting yoga. The correct answer is A. Aerobic exercise. What is the term for the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment? A. Equilibrium, or B. Metabolism, or C. Homeostasis, or D. Adaptation. The correct answer is C. Homeostasis. Which vitamin is essential for muscle function? A. Vitamin B12, or B. Vitamin C, or C. Vitamin D, or D. Vitamin A. The correct answer is C. Vitamin D. Which nutrient is crucial for muscle recovery after exercise? A. Protein or fiber, or C. Carbohydrates, or D. Calcium. The correct answer is A. Protein. What physiological parameter assesses the efficiency of the heart? A. Blood pressure, or B. Heart rate, or C. Oxygen saturation, or D. Cardiac output. The correct answer is D. Cardiac output. What is the primary byproduct of aerobic respiration? A. Water, or B. Oxygen, or C. Glucose, or D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is D. Carbon dioxide. Which hormone is released in response to stress during exercise? A. Adrenaline, or B. Thyroxine, or C. Cortisol, or D. Insulin. The correct answer is C. Cortisol. What kind of training leads to increased capillary density? A. Powerlifting workouts, or B. High intensity interval, or C. Endurance training, or D. Strength training. The correct answer is C. Endurance training. Which physiological change occurs in skeletal muscles with regular exercise? A. Increased fat, or B. Increased mitochondria, or C. Decreased strength, or D. Weakened ligaments. The correct answer is B. Increased mitochondria. What is the term for the body's thermal regulation during exercise? A. Metabolic rate, or B. Homeostasis, or C. Heat exchange, or D. Thermoregulation. The correct answer is D. Thermoregulation. What kind of muscle contraction involves lengthening under load? A. Eccentric contraction, or B. Isometric contraction, or C. Concentric contraction, or D. Static contraction. The correct answer is A. Eccentric contraction. Which type of training focuses on explosive movements? A. Flexibility training, or B. Plyometric training, or C. Endurance training, or D. Strength training. The correct answer is B. Plyometric training. What term describes the efficiency of oxygen utilization in exercise? A. Heart rate, or B. VO2 max, or C. Aerobic capacity, or D. Anaerobic threshold. The correct answer is C. Aerobic capacity. Which physiological response improves as a result of prolonged exercise training? A. Respiratory rate, or B. Stroke volume, or C. Heart rate, or D. Blood pressure. The correct answer is B. Stroke volume. Which structure allows for gas exchange in the lungs? A. Bronchi, or B. Trachea, or C. Diaphragm, or D. Alveoli. The correct answer is D. Alveoli. What does the term core stability refer to? A. Yoga posture alignment, or B. Core muscle flexibility, or C, stabilization of the pelvis and spine, or D, balance training techniques? The correct answer is C, stabilization of the pelvis and spine. What is the body's initial response to an increase in muscle demand? A, muscle fatigue, or B, decreased heart rate, or C, increased blood flow, or D, increased oxygen consumption? The correct answer is C, increased blood flow. What physiological change supports efficient energy production in cells? A, higher lactate levels, or B, reduced oxygen intake, or C, increased mitochondrial density, or D, lower heart rate? The correct answer is C, increased mitochondrial density. Which factor is key in determining muscular endurance? A, muscle size, or B, protein intake, or C, strength training, or D, capillary supply? The correct answer is D, capillary supply. What happens to muscle glycogen stores after prolonged exercise? A, muscle growth or depletion, or C, enhanced recovery, or D, increased storage? The correct answer is B, depletion. What is a primary goal of pre-exercise nutrition? Aid weight loss, or B, improve flexibility, or C, optimize performance, or D, prevent dehydration? The correct answer is C, optimize performance. What physiological change occurs during the adaptation phase of training? A, increased fatigue, or B, decreased strength, or C, improved efficiency, or D, elevated heart rate? The correct answer is C, improved efficiency. Which strategy may alleviate muscle soreness post-exercise? A, static stretching or ice baths, or C, active recovery, or D, massage therapy? The correct answer is C, active recovery. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.